Viewers, welcome to Murads kitchen. Now I'm going to show you how to make prawn sag is matter of 6 to 7 minutes. Very quick and fast. First of all, I'm going to put some oil in a pan. Add my garlic. Now I'm going to add my onion. Add my salt. Now I'm going to add my tomatoes. And we're going to put our prawns as well. Viewers, we have to cook quick, so we put the prawns as well. They will cook very fast and quick. Now we're going to add our spices. Turmeric and chili powder. That's it. That's what you need. Now I'm going to add my spinach. Viewers, I'm going to add quarter cup of water. Look at that. As soon as my spinach is wilted and we are ready to go. My prawn takes only 3 minutes to do it, and the spinach takes about a minute and job done. Viewers, my prawn sag is ready to come out and ready to serve. Look at that, how quick it is. It takes only 5 to 6 minutes really, and it looks really delicious. It's going to taste yummy as well. Viewers, a meal for family meal is matter of 6-7 minutes. How cool it is. It's beautiful, delicious, and it goes very well with chapati bread, or you can serve it with plain boiled rice. What could be better than that? Enjoy and bon appetit. Very quick, very fast prawn sag. Enjoy. Viewers, if you like my food, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.